Microwave ovens heat food quickly and efficiently, but have you ever wondered how they achieve this? At the heart of a microwave oven is a device known as a magnetron, which generates electromagnetic waves in the microwave frequency range. In a typical household setting, it operates at a frequency close to 2.4 GHz, corresponding to a wavelength of approximately 4.9 inches. The magnetron, a specific type of vacuum tube, acts as a self-excited oscillator that converts electrical energy into microwave energy. This conversion is facilitated by the movement of electrons, which are influenced by both magnetic and electric fields. During the cooking process, the microwaves produced by the magnetron interact with the food. This interaction induces the rotation of water molecules and, to a lesser extent, proteins and fats, due to their inherent polarity. This rotation, induced by an oscillating electric field, is a phenomenon known as dipolar polarization. It forms part of a larger process called dielectric heating, which generates heat and cooks the food. This mechanism allows for the efficient and uniform heating of food in a microwave oven. The power consumption of a microwave oven depends on its usage and wattage, typically ranging from 600 to 1,200 watts. Higher wattages result in faster heating. Microwave ovens are designed with a metal enclosure to contain the microwaves. They also feature a safety interlock that deactivates the microwave generator when the door is opened, ensuring both safety and efficiency. To ensure even cooking, microwave ovens use turntables to distribute the microwaves uniformly, thereby minimizing hot spots. Microwave ovens are a testament to the marvels of modern technology. They seamlessly integrate scientific principles with practical applications, revolutionizing the way we cook. Safety is of paramount importance, therefore, it's crucial to ensure the safe, correct, and responsible use of microwave ovens.